Food in Tagalog is pagkain. Pagkain. Do you remember how to say I want? Gusto ko. Gusto ko. How would you say I want food? Gusto ko ng pagkain. Gusto ko ng pagkain. Ng is an indefinite marker. Ng pagkain means a food, some food, or just food. Rice is kanin. Kanin. So, I want rice is gusto ko ng kanin. Gusto ko ng kanin. Do you remember how to say you want? Gusto mo. Gusto mo. So how would you say you want rice? Gusto mo ng kanin. Gusto mo ng kanin. To ask, do you want rice? We say, gusto mo ng kanin? Gusto mo ng kanin? The sentence pattern of the question is the same as the statement. The only difference is in the inflection and, of course, the question mark. We can also add ba to our question. Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Ba is a question and answer. It sort of removes the doubt that the sentence is a question. Adding ba also indicates reflection, meaning the person asking pondered if you wanted rice or not. In the question, gusto mo ng kanin, the person asking really just wants to get the information out, whether you want rice or not. But to keep it simple, you can treat the two just the same. It's your choice if you want to add ba or not. To say, yes, I want rice, we say, oo, gusto ko ng kanin. Oo, gusto ko ng kanin. This in Tagalog is ito, ito. To say, I want this, we say, gusto ko ito. Gusto ko ito. Need is kailangan. Kailangan. How would you say, I need? Kailangan ko. Kailangan ko. Gusto and kailangan are generally followed by the second group of personal pronouns. Other sentence patterns with the first group of personal pronouns can exist, of course, but that would be for the later lessons. For now, let's focus on the sentence pattern with the second group of personal pronouns. How would you say, I need food? Kailangan ko ng pagkain. Kailangan ko ng pagkain. I need rice is kailangan ko ng kanin. Kailangan ko ng kanin. I need this is kailangan ko ito. Kailangan ko ito. Ito is a demonstrative pronoun, meaning this. But it can also replace a noun, such as kanin, in the sentence, kailangan ko ng kanin. Therefore, ito can also translate as it. I need it. How would you say you need rice? Kailangan mo ng kanin. Kailangan mo ng kanin. How would you ask the question, do you need rice? Kailangan mo ng kanin? Kailangan mo ng kanin? It's the same sentence pattern as the statement. The only difference is in the inflection. You can add ba if you wish. Kailangan mo ba ng kanin? Kailangan mo ba ng kanin? And how would you say, yes, I need rice? Oo, kailangan ko ng kanin. Oo, kailangan ko ng kanin. How would you say, I need this? Kailangan ko ito. Kailangan ko ito. And how would you say, I need it? Kailangan ko ito. Kailangan ko ito. So again, ito can translate as this or it. To say, I don't need rice, we say, hindi ko kailangan ng kanin. Hindi ko kailangan ng kanin. In the negative statement, the personal pronoun ko and kailangan switch places, because in the affirmative statement, the sentence looks like this. Kailangan ko ng kanin. How would you say, I don't want rice? Hindi ko gusto ng kanin. Hindi ko gusto ng kanin. This negative statement follows the same pattern as kailangan. Gusto and ko switch places, because the affirmative statement looks like this. Gusto ko ng kanin. To eat in Tagalog is kumain. Kumain. To say, I want to eat, we say, gusto kong kumain. Gusto kong kumain. When there is an infinitive verb, we need to add a connector to the word just before it. In this case, the word that precedes kumain is ko. So we need to add ng to it. The word then becomes kong. Gusto kong kumain. I want to eat. How would you say, I need to eat? Kailangan kong kumain. Kailangan kong kumain. Same sentence pattern as gusto. We need to add ng to the word that precedes the infinitive. Kailangan kong kumain. I need to eat. To say, I don't want, we say, hindi ko gusto. Hindi ko gusto. What did you notice? The ko and gusto switch places. To say, I don't want this, we say, hindi ko gusto ito. Hindi ko gusto ito. We can also say, hindi ko ito gusto. Hindi ko ito gusto. Both sentence patterns are permissible. However, when it comes to the affirmative statement, you need to follow this order. Gusto ko ito. Gusto ko ito. Another way to say I don't want is ayoko. Ayoko. To say I don't want rice, we can say ayoko ng kanin. Ayoko ng kanin. Again, this is similar to saying hindi ko gusto ng kanin. I would like you to use ayaw to translate this sentence. How would you say it? Ayaw ko ito. Ayaw ko ito. You can also say ayoko to. Ayoko to. It's important to learn the contracted versions of the expressions because these are what you will hear. So you need to be able to recognize them. Again, let's say this. Ayoko to. How would you say, do you want this? Gusto mo to? Gusto mo to? So here, we're using the contracted version of ito, which is to. Gusto mo to? Oo, gusto ko to. Oo, gusto ko to. Yes, I want it. Do you remember how to say, I don't want it? We can use ayaw, ayaw ko to, ayaw ko to. We can also say, hindi ko to gusto, hindi ko to gusto. That, in Tagalog, is iyan, iyan. To say, I want that, we say, gusto ko iyan. Gusto ko iyan. How would you ask, do you need this? Kailangan mo to? Kailangan mo to? You can answer with, oo, kailangan ko to. Oo, kailangan ko to. To answer in the negative, you can say, hindi ko to kailangan. Hindi ko to kailangan. Now, let's try, I need that. Kailangan ko iyan. Kailangan ko iyan. To say the contracted version, we say, kailangan ko yan. Kailangan ko yan. To drink in Tagalog is uminom. Uminom. To say, I need to drink, we say, kailangan kong uminom. Kailangan kong uminom. And in Tagalog is at. At. How would you say, I need to eat and drink? Kailangan kong kumain at uminom. Kailangan kong kumain at uminom. How would you say, I need to eat rice? Kailangan kong kumain ng kanin. Kailangan kong kumain ng kanin. And how would you say, I need to drink coffee? Kailangan kong uminom ng kape. Kailangan kong uminom ng kape. How would you say, I need to eat rice and drink coffee? Kailangan kong kumain ng kanin at uminom ng kape. Kailangan kong kumain ng kanin at uminom ng kape.